So there it is. You've been gardening, you've been growing beautiful plants, vegetables, your fruit trees. All of a sudden you see it one day while you're watering. Little white specks, little green bumps, little black bugs adhering to the stems and leaves. What can we do? What do we do? What do we do to get rid of these guys? Well, one thing is pesticides. You can spray them and poison all your food and hurt your tree and the beneficial insects that come in and hang out. Another thing is we can do like a soap spray, a gentle soap. It'll just make your plant taste bad, and the bugs are not going to want to eat it. I'm going to create a spray. We're going to spray it on the leaves, and it's going to dry up there. It'll leave like a little soapy residue. It's not going to taste good. The bugs are going to have to deal with it. So after that, we're going to rinse it off. We're going to spray them down, knock the bugs loose, and try it again. So try this out and see if it works for you. Alright, the recipe for this is pretty simple. I'm going to use Trader Joe's kitchen hand soap. It's made with coconut oil, lemon oil. It's got, I'd say, more natural ingredients than my standard dish soap. So we're going to use it. 1 tablespoon. We're going to mix that up to 1 quart of water. Stir that up gently. You don't want to get a bunch of bubbles for your sprayer. We want to make sure that this has gone into a complete solution though. Get some of that foam off. I got a sprayer at the hardware store. Go spray some bugs. We gonna spray some bugs, gonna spray it with our soap spray. Alright, the soap's been on for a day. Everything's dried off. I'm pretty sure that the bugs that we're going to kill with that have been killed. We're going to hose it off, use a fan spray or a high pressure spray. But you got to be careful not to damage your plant. Just go enough to bust the bugs and then inspect and make sure that, leaves aren't being ripped off. But you're going to have to be thorough. They get under the leaves. They hold on. They're tenacious. Once they're knocked off, you're either going to kill them or they're just not going to be able to get back up to the soft stuff. They'll be stuck in the ground. So try this out. And once we're done with the hosing, you're going to want to give a new application of the soap spray. Let that dry on there. Check back in another couple of days. See how it goes. Good luck.